Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can clean the dust filter in the Dream D10 Plus vacuum. So in the first step we have to open the top cover. As you can see, there have a small cleaning tool, so just remove it, just lift it up. Okay, there we have our tool. Now we have to remove the dust container. The filter is located inside. And remember, you can remove it, and remember to do not use the water and the detergents. We can just clean it manually with this brush, and in the application you can check the status of this element when you should just completely change the filter. So just try to clean it with this small brush, then put it back to the dust container. Okay, in the other way, and put it back. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.